Let me put on my hoops. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my wigs, my lace frontal wigs. And I'm going to be doing everything in this video. I'm going to be bleaching, plucking. I'm basically just going to be customizing the wig to my liking and then installing it. So yeah. And also it's probably loud because of the fan is on, because it is hot up in here. It's nighttime, but it's hot up in my room. And I had to close the window because I didn't want any outside noise to be too loud. And then I didn't show the part where I styled it, but I basically just put two curls with flat irons right here. I love styling it like this. I really do like the natural curl pattern. I just like to add curls to when I have straight hair or wavy hair to the front, like really loose curls like this. I like how I look with my face shape. It is days later from when I filmed this video. I don't even know if my lace is still laid like how it was in the video, because as again it is like a week later or a couple days later. So yeah, and I didn't use glue. I used got-to-be glue. I didn't use like an actual wig glue, one that you have to like leave on for like 2 weeks or something like that. Like I used a very simple one because I didn't want to have it on that long, because I have been wearing this for a long time. I did have like I'm thinking about it right now, I have a whole like little unboxing, but I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to talk about it right here since I have what came in the bag right here still. I don't think I mentioned this hair is from Lumiere Hair Company. It was sent to me by them right here. Focus. What comes in the bag was the wig, of course, which I already have on, two flexi rods, and also a black wig cap, which I didn't use because I like using the tan wig caps. And I also didn't use these, but I'm going to add them to my collection because it's always handy to have these. Well, at least to me, I really like using them, but not for this kind of hair. I like using it on my natural hair. I really like this. It's really perfect for storage, especially I know a lot of hair companies send boxes. I like the boxes too, but this is also great for storage as well. What else? Also, all of the wig information will be in the description down below. This is a body wave texture, by the way. Body wave 14-inch, and it's a lace frontal wig. Basically means it's a frontal, it's from ear to ear lace, and it also gives you enough parting space. I'll insert the clip right now of how the wig first came. So the natural pattern of this hair is such a beautiful texture in my opinion. Like I just love the wave. If you have any more questions about the hair, just leave them down below. Feel free to leave them down below after you watch the video. Yeah, in the video, oh my gosh, my nails and my lashes, everything was just so out of hand, y'all. My nails were a hot mess, my lashes were a hot mess, but as you guys can see now, they're fixed. My nails are good, my lashes are good. Whew, it was a hot mess, y'all. I was looking a hot mess during this, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I was really like, oh my gosh, like I'm editing this, I'm like, my nails, the polish is just cracked. I didn't have my acrylics on, didn't even have my polish right. My lashes, half of my lash was off. I don't know what was going on, y'all. I apologize. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, so first you want to start off with bleaching. Now what I'm going to be using is this bleach and then a 30 volume cream, and you can find both of these at Sally's Beauty, which is where I got mine from. So basically how I bleach my hair, well, my knots, is every 1 scoop of powder I put 2 capfuls of developers. And then I just mix it, and you basically want to get a thick consistency. You don't want the bleach to seep past the knots. You don't want it to bleach the actual hair, because then you'll have to dye the hair to get it back black, and that'll just be too much. So this is a consistency you should be looking for. And then I basically just placed it on there with a plastic knife, because I feel like it works better, in my opinion, than like the actual bleaching brush or dyeing brush. And yeah, I never bleached a wig that was already made before. This is my first time doing it, so it was new to me. I usually would just put makeup over the knots, but I decided to do this because I wanted to just do the whole thing just to see if I could do it. So I left the bleach in for about 40 minutes, and it all depends on your skin complexion and how light you like your roots. For my skin complexion, I like to leave it on for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then I wash it out, and then I let it tone with this shimmer lights, which you can also find at Sally's Beauty. Like, this video isn't sponsored by Sally's Beauty, but like that's where I get most of my hair products from, or either Sally's Beauties or your local beauty supply. Purple shampoo, I leave that on there for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out. That just tones the hair so it won't be super brassy after bleaching. So then we go on to plucking, and so yeah, I go ahead and I just start plucking the wig. This plucking is all personal preference. I like to try to mimic my natural hairline, so that's what I do. I basically just part it, pluck, part it, pluck, part it, pluck. That's pretty much what I do. And you don't want to start plucking right at the hairline. You want to part it first, then pluck behind the parted hair. Especially if you're not used to plucking and you're new to the wig game, you don't want to start plucking right at the, right at the exact hairline. You want to part some first in case you make a mistake. It won't be too bad because you could still just cover the hair. Cover it with it. I don't know if that makes sense. I really hope that made sense. Oh, and remember, as you pluck, make sure you comb it out with like a rat tail comb. Make sure pluck and then comb out so you can see your progress, because you don't want to over pluck it and you don't want to under pluck it. But you rather under pluck it than over pluck it, because if you under pluck it, you can fix it. But yeah, now I knew I was gonna wear it in the middle part, so I went ahead and start plucking the middle part. And I pretty much know like how to pluck and stuff, so I like to have my part wide. I don't know how other people like it, but my natural part isn't like a super precise line. It'd be pretty messy because I'm not the best parter, so I like to just mimic that. But this is all personal preference, so yeah, just keep plucking and keep plucking and keep plucking, girl. And so yeah, this is how the edges look after plucking it, after I plucked it and customized to my liking. This is how I like my hairlines to look, and this is how the hairline look without doing anything to it. So you can see the difference of how it came, and then also that was a natural part, how it came, and then this is how I plucked my part. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna wet it because I know a lot of people like to see the hair like when it's wet. I don't know why, but people like to see that. So I'm just gonna wet it with some water just so y'all can see how it is. Just pretty much done plucking it. I'm just gonna show y'all how it look wet. And then I did the edges too, but that's not how I wore it. I just did it just for you guys to see how it look. Yeah, I wasn't gonna film this at first because I filmed it before, but I'm like, I feel like I need to film it again. So basically I put on a beige stocking cap that I got from my, wig cap. I'm sorry, I'm saying stocking cap. It's probably stocking cap. That's probably confusing y'all. But it's a wig cap and it's the beige one. I put it on. Mine is, let me take out the plastic. Mine is this one right here. And then I went ahead and just put it on way beyond your hairline, and then I just put on some Got To Be glue freeze spray, and I sprayed it right here, and then that's basically all I did so far. And ignore my lash, it fell off. But yeah, I'm refilming it because the first one it was my first time doing it. I don't know, I feel like if I show the first one that I did, it's gonna confuse you guys because my camera cut off like halfway through. All right, now that this is dried, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it off. All right, so I feel like this is how far I'm gonna bring the wig down. It's like that much from my hairline. I feel like it's kind of too far down. But we'll just see once I put on the wig. So now after this, basically you want to, oh, we're going to cut the ears off too. Make sure you don't have any of the thick band on there, y'all. That's so ugly. And don't cut your hair. How do you think I cut my hair? Oh, that's fine. I didn't glue that down enough. My natural scalp is lighter than my skin color. So I think I'm gonna go lighter first. And then if I don't like it, I can always just put some dark. So I'm not gonna really put a lot of foundation on it. So can you guys see? So I'm gonna take some of this Got To Be glue gel, the black one, and just put that like under. I'm gonna take it with the end of my rat tail comb, y'all, and just glide the glue under with the gel. And only for the pieces that's lifting up. And just press it down, just like that. That's gonna make it really melt up in your skin. Okay, so guys, here is a wig right here. I was letting it air dry. As you guys can see, it's kind of still damp. So you guys didn't see me customize this wig. I bleached the knots, plucked it, cut the lace off already. And just a quick rundown on this wig again, which I mentioned in the beginning already. This hair is from Lumiere Hair Company. It was sent to me. It's a 14-inch. It's the body wave texture wave pattern. I'll have all of the information on this wig down below, so make sure you guys go check out the information description box below, as well as links for you guys to check out this wig. I really enjoyed this hair so far. The hair is like super soft. As you guys can see, even when it's wet, it is still a beautiful wave pattern. I like that it's not too much hair, even though I told you guys in the beginning the hairline was like really thick when I put it on when I first got it. But I'd rather it be thick so I can customize it to my own liking than for it to be super thin and then it's like I can't just add more hair to it. Yeah, what else? I'm just gonna put it on now. I just wanted to, like, you know, refresh my memory. Yeah, I'm sweating like a mug. Look at this. Woo. Boom. I like it. I'm gonna use my Got To Be Ultra Glue styling gel to glue it down because I don't want to really glue it down with like my actual lace glue. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and apply the Got To Be glue gel, and I didn't apply it with my fingers because it gets really sticky, and most people say that it makes the glue white when you apply it with your fingers. But anyways, then you want to go ahead and blow dry it, and then you want to wait till it gets tacky. If you don't blow dry it, just let it dry until it gets tacky, and then you want to go ahead and place the lace onto the glue and just press it down with the comb. This is going to make sure that the comb is really make sure that the lace is really pressed down into the scalp. So you want to blow dry and press until you feel that the glue is dry. And then you want to work in sections doing this. You don't want to put the glue all over your head and then try to apply it like that. Like, I don't recommend it that way. Do sections. So basically just do it the same in each section. Apply some glue, let it dry, get tacky, and then apply the lace on it. So yeah, you just apply it on there and then just blow dry it and just get the extra touch-ups with the glue and the blow dryer, and just press it with the back of your comb. That really helps. So after that, then you want to just go ahead and fix it up. And you could tie down the edges with a silk scarf, but I couldn't find my silk scarf this day, but that's what I usually do to really secure the wig for about 15-20 minutes, and then take it off, and then this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, by the way, this is that same wig that I wore on Snapchat when I had it slicked back into a bun and I had a side part. This is that wig. I'll insert a couple videos or pictures if I still have it, but this is that wig. I know a lot of people was asking like, did you film how you did this, blah 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 blah. I didn't film myself doing the side part or the middle part, but this is that wig. I basically just wet it just to soften it up and make it like flat, and then brushed it and swooped it right into a bun. Like, it was so easy. This wig was pretty easy to work with as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which I think I just said that, but yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye y'all.